What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a screen protector for the cover screen of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This is from Spigen. It is the GLAS.TR EZ Fit Pro. Great name for a screen protector, but this is a 2-pack, and dear mama, if you know what I mean. I do have a screen protector on here, a tempered glass that I got from another case company, but I'm going to take that off and put this on, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Obviously, on the inner screen, there is no screen protector. There are some clear ones that you can use. I don't recommend them because they mess up the screen protector that's already there, because from the factory, you get a factory screen protector. It's already there. No reason to put one on the inner one. I wouldn't mess around with that. I would deal with the outside, because a lot of these cases that you get don't have a front piece, but this will help protect your device. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Pop this bad boy open so that you can see how we're gonna put it together. Now this is very easy to install. It's real glass. It's got oleophobic coating. It's got all the goodies that you need when it comes to a screen protector. So go ahead and pop this out of the unit, and it's case friendly for Spigen's cases. So keep that in mind when you are using this. If you use a different case company, it may not work for that one company, but it will work with the Spigen cases. So keep that in mind. It does come with two, as you can see. It's got pretty legit screen protectors, but it's very easy to install, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It gives you a little instruction guide here, but you don't have to worry about that. I'll show you how to do it so that you can. One of the cool things I love that they give you in the kit is they give you this little thing, because as you know, the Z Fold 7 camera is huge. I mean, it protrudes. So to eliminate, when you lay it on the table, they give you this little thing. And I would keep this if you have it. If you get this kit, keep it. Because if you ever have to do other screen protectors, you're going to be good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and power this puppy off so you can be good to go. And first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the old one. Don't need that anymore. Put that to the side. You get a little squeegee here, and then we're gonna clean it up. You have a lens cleaner here, so you go ahead and pop that out. Very simple. Ooh, this is pretty heavy duty. I mean, this is pretty wet. And you go ahead and wipe down your screen. That way it's nice and clean. You don't have to worry about it being dirty. Make sure you get every single thing, every corner. And then you can wipe it down with your microfiber cloth here to give you a nice one. Take your dust remover sticker, and go ahead and just boom, and that'll get all your dust off. All right, so then you want to grab your little screen protector here first, and they do give you some examples here to make sure you don't want to pull from this way. That's the top piece. And then you want to make sure they're not all jumbled up. As you can see, it's inside there, and then you can just place it on there. So, and this is the top because it says top there, as you can see. And then you just place it over your device, and then you just simply hold it with your, well, let me make sure this is in there correctly. You just hold it with your left hand and then pull. Boom. And then you're gonna press and slide like so. You want to wait about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, just to make sure everything gets nice and secure on your screen protector. Alright, so you wait about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and you're simply going to take off your deal here, and then you should be good to go. Pull it right off, and boom. And then you're just going to get your little squeegee thing here, which is kind of neat. They give you this little tool here. You're able to kind of get out all your bubbles, if you do have any. And I like this, looks like it's very case friendly. This is actually a nice little tool. Might keep this around for a while. But yeah, you see you get a nice little, look at that, screen protector. Perfectly installed. And this is a good one. Spigen doesn't mess around when it comes to screen protectors. So I highly recommend it. And if you got a case, you'll be able to slap it on here, no problem. You should be good to go, because it does leave room. It's not edge to edge, and remember, you don't want edge to edge because you can't put a case on here. If you go edge to edge, it's gonna pop off. So, but this is definitely, man, this is clean, easy to install, good quality. Instructions are easy because you watch an Android stud. Can't beat that.